The wiper control stalk is on the right-hand side of the column at your fingertips. Push the stalk down briefly for one wipe of the windshield. Press and hold the wiper stalk down for 2 seconds or more for a continuous wipe. Push it up one click for intermittent wiping. The next click up is for slow wiping speed. And the top click is for fast wiping. When you are in intermittent wiping, you can shorten the interval between wipes by moving the top switch to the right. For more time between wipes, move it to the left. If your Volkswagen is equipped with rain-sensing wipers, push the stalk up one click to activate the rain-sensing function. Once activated, the rain sensor will automatically turn on the wipers when it detects rain, adjusting the wiper frequency in line with rainfall intensity. The sensitivity of the rain sensor can be adjusted using the switch on the top of the stalk. For more sensitivity to moisture on the windshield, move the switch to the right. To wash the windshield, pull and hold the stalk toward you. The longer the hold, the longer the washing and wiping process. Push the stalk away from you one click to activate the intermittent rear wiper. Pushing it all the way forward washes and wipes the rear window. You can also hold it in this position for longer washing. At the same time the rear window is being cleaned, the rear view camera is also being cleaned. When the wipers are on and the vehicle is placed in reverse, the rear wiper activates automatically, clearing the rear glass. If you wish to turn off the rear wiper function when the vehicle is placed in reverse, or the rain sensing function, select Car, Setup, Mirror and Wiper Settings.